our team, and we are three people, and we built Asha, which means hope, and it represents our mission to protect and empower women. Our motto is Nari ki Suraksha Hamari Zimmedari, which means women's safety is our responsibility. Asha was built with this belief at its core. In India, only 1% of sexual assault cases are reported. One of the biggest reasons is that women often don't have proof that injustices happen to them. Without proof, it's hard to prove the culprit guilty, leaving victims without justice. So, women related crimes make up more than half of all crimes in India. Despite this, police strategies lack speed and accountability, leaving women vulnerable at the exact moment they need the help most. Only 42.6% of cases get charge sheets, over 90% are pending trial, and conviction rates are just 23%. The lack of timely emergency action and reliable proof are the main reasons justice is delayed or denied. Behind these numbers are real women who either did not get immediate help when they needed it or who couldn't prove what happened. Asha is designed to solve both these problems. So, these are some additional statistical data which you can refer to. Then, Asha is a women's safety platform that provides immediate emergency action to protect women in unsafe situations, while also collecting video evidence and live location data to strengthen their fight for justice later. Asha includes 6 core features. The first one being voice detection of distress. Second, area mapping for the safe navigation. Third, nearby emergency service alerts. Fourth, fall detection. Fifth, automatic video evidence capture. Sixth, live location sharing. This means in an unsafe situation, the women is not only protected immediately but also supported legally with credible evidence. We built Asha using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Firebase. This ensures real-time performance, data security, and scalability for emergency use. So this is our workflow. Here's how it works. If distress is detected, the system goes into shield on mode. A prompt appears for the user to confirm. So if cancelled, no action is taken. But if not cancelled, emergency functions are triggered immediately. So, live location is shared, nearby emergency services are alerted, and video evidence starts recording automatically. This dual action protection in the moment and proof for justice makes Asha unique. So, our future scope includes that Asha will include offline emergency support, multi-language options, voice sentiment analysis, and virtual self-defense workshops. We also plan to expand into mobile app for wider accessibility. So, in conclusion, Asha is not just a website, it's both a safety companion and a justice enabler.